Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running an online store but your product pages aren't converting, this video is for you. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or a custom solution, we're diving into why people visit but don't buy, and how you can fix it using 100% free AI tools. Here is a hard truth. Over 85% of online shoppers bounce before clicking Add to Cart. But why is it your load time? A boring product description, low trust, or just a clunky mobile layout? Today, I'll show you how to analyze, improve, and rewrite your product pages using AI tools that cost you nothing but deliver real ROI, especially if your audience is based in the US. Let's break this down step by step. Start by copying your product page URL and heading over to ChatGPT or Perplexity AI. Type in this prompt. Act like an e-commerce Crow expert. Analyze this product page for load time, content quality, call to action, and trust elements. The AI will break down exactly what's working, and more importantly, what's killing your conversions. If you want a technical scan, drop your URL into Google PageSpeed Insights or Lighthouse. Then, paste the audit results into ChatGPT and ask for step-by-step fixes. I do this daily for US-based e-commerce stores, and the results speak for themselves. Now let's talk product descriptions. If you're still using the manufacturer's boring blurb, you're doing your brand a disservice. Paste your current description into ChatGPT and use this prompt. Rewrite this product description for us shoppers. Focus on emotional benefits, urgency, and a strong CTA. You'll instantly get persuasive, benefit-focused content that converts. Ask the AI to give you a B variance for testing, and pick what performs best. Don't forget about mobile shoppers, because that's where most of your US traffic is coming from. Open your page in a free tool like Responsively app or Screenfly to test your layout across different screens. If you see layout bugs or weird alignment, take a screenshot and drop it into ChatGPT 4o or Gemini. Suggest design or CSS improvements for this mobile view. I've seen this one step improve conversion by over 30% for my clients, and here's a big one. Trust. If your product page doesn't clearly show reviews, shipping info, a return policy, security badges, most shoppers will just bounce. You can fix this fast. Use free AI image tools like Leonardo, AI, or Canva to generate high-quality trust badges. Ask ChatGPT to write short blurbs like hassle-free 30-day returns or ships from the US. Just a few clear trust signals can make all the difference. Now you've seen the biggest reasons your product pages might be failing, and the exact AI tools you can use to fix every issue. These tricks work on any platform: Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, you name it. And if you're too busy or just want expert help, that's where I come in. I specialize in AI-powered e-commerce optimization. I help businesses across the US turn product pages into profit machines. If you're ready to boost your conversions and revenue, drop me a message at tahirwebdev7@gmail.com. Let us turn your store into a customer magnet. And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips on growing your store using AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.